Last week was senior night for the volleyball players at South Dade. It was an emotional night enjoyed by family, friends, and teammates. The senior volleyball players also reflected on their time playing for South Dade.
Well, I feel like it's kind of bittersweet that the season's coming to an end because school season's ending, but I know like club is coming up, so that'll be fun. And I think I'll miss like the players and the coaches and just being a part of the team and like being with the team.
I'm gonna be sad because it's my first year playing, and I had a lot of good times with the girls, and I really gonna miss making them laugh and the coaches.
It's weird that it's coming to an end because volleyball has definitely become a secondary sport to me, has become a main part of my life. I'm gonna miss most the girls. They're hilarious.
I will miss like the teammates and practices and how coach would like have his fun days and then not his fun days.
What am I going to miss most about this team? I'm going to miss their character. We had a lot of fun girls on our team, very lively. Took everything serious, but as a joke. I don't know how we could put that together at the same time. Their hard work, their determination, their willing and eagerness to do and get things done the right way.
I think it's going to be really sad that the season's ending, but we all made good memories, so it's bittersweet.
I'm extremely sad that my career of volleyball is going to end. I'm going to miss my teammates, my coach, and of course wearing my jersey.
I am disappointed that it's going to end, and I will miss my teammates and my coaches and playing. It was a lot of fun while it lasted.
They've learned not to give up on anything. They all came to me without knowing the game of volleyball, and they've pretty much succeeded at it. They worked very hard to do it and to be good at it and to change a program. They've left a legacy here at South Dade.
The night became even more memorable with South Dade's win over Miami Norlands. For Riptide, I'm Jorely Soporta.